In this video, I am going to show you how to do the unboxing and a complete setup of your HP DeskJet 2942 all-in-one printer. First, we will take the printer out. So your printer comes with the manual that is just on the top. So you can see here, and then inside we can see it comes with the ink cartridges and the power cable that is here. Next step is to just remove the protective film. So there is a plastic film on the top. This printer comes with the setup ink cartridges. These are the starter ink cartridges we have to install. That's the power cable. First we will remove the blue tape. So just pull it. It will open the front door. You can just open from here and then just look inside here. Just try to pull it out properly. It will open the ink chamber. Just take it out. So once we remove it, now we can close it. Plug in the power cable at the back of the printer. You can see the power cable point is here. Plug it in. This printer has option to use the USB cable. So that is the printer data cable to use it directly with your computer or laptop. The power light will start to flash once you plug in the power cable. On the screen you will see it displays a circle. So it's just starting up for the first time. Next step is to install the setup ink cartridges and load the paper. So for that, first we will open the front chamber, pull it and pull this door down. You will see the ink chamber will move and come into the middle. So just wait for that. In that time we will just remove the ink cartridges. This is the 68 number and black ink cartridge. In the same way we will take the color ink cartridge out, remove the protective seal. So let's install them. Look for the indications here, like it says the pink will go on the first and the black will go on the second. So just place it here, push it in and hold the printer and push it in. Automatically it will lock. So same way the black, just slide it in here and then lock it. Now close this door. Paper tray is at the back. That's the rear paper tray. Lift it. There is a blue lever here. You have to move it to the end. So let's load the paper. Now wait for the printer. It will print a printer alignment page. We have to scan this alignment page, lift it from here, remove the plastic covering here and now place it facing down. You will see there is a icon here. It displays like it should be facing like this. So here you have to place it and it exactly shows the size like 8.5 into 11. Now go to the screen and click on any of this button. You can click on the color button or you can click on the black. So press the color. It has started to align the print heads. So it will take few seconds, just wait for that. Next step is to use the printer for printing, copying and scanning. For copy we can start right away. For example, if I have to copy, I can place a page and start the copy process. So let's copy a page here. Open the lid, place it here, and click on the copy button. You can click on the black or color and it will start the copy. So that's the quick and initial setup of the printer. To use it with your smartphone for wireless printing and scanning, we can use it with the two methods. First is using the printer's Wi-Fi. So that means we will directly connect the printer with the smartphone. And the second option is using the home Wi-Fi network. So let's do the first option. To use the Wi-Fi direct method, that is using the printer's inbuilt Wi-Fi, we need to activate that and print the password. First we will look for the Wi-Fi direct icon. So it's not showing up there. So press the flashing light, this wireless button once. It will deactivate the Wi-Fi search and it will activate the internal printer Wi-Fi. Now click on the information button once and it will print the password for your printer. So this is the printer information page. On this page we will see under the Wi-Fi direct icon, name of the printer's Wi-Fi and its password. This password is different for each printer. Go to your smartphone. Make sure you have installed the HP app. It looks like that. Once you download the app, go to the Wi-Fi settings. This is the Wi-Fi setting of your smartphone. It will display the name of your printer as displayed on the page. Select it, enter the password here using the page. So that is the password for this printer. And click on the next. So we are connected with the printer. We can directly start using it. For example, if I have anything to print, go to the files and select any page you want to print. For example, this one. Click on this share button that is here. Scroll up and you will see the option print. Click here. On the next page we have to select our printer. Click on the printer icon. Automatically it will display your printer. And then you can click on the print icon. Instantly it will send the printer a printing command. So that's quick. But in case you want to do the scanning, then you have to use the HP app. For that we can go to the HP app right now. To add the printer, click on the plus icon. Select choose an available printer. You will see your HP DeskJet 2900 series. Select it. Here is our printer with estimated level of ink. If you have a HP app account, you can just sign in and you will be able to use more for different features. Let's do the scanning. Click on the scan icon. And we can place a page here for the scanning process. So right now I'm just going to scan. Let's scan this alignment page so that we can align it again later on. Click on the scan icon. Scanning is done and it is being processed. If you want, you can make some changes. Click on the next and it is done. We can save it now. Let's do the second method of wireless setup of this printer using the home Wi-Fi network. Again, we have to go to the printer control panel. So we have to enter this printer into the setup mode. For that we have to press and hold the wireless button and the cancel button all together for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, release it. You will see the power light will start to flash and then the wireless light will start to flash. That means printer is in the setup mode. Connect your smartphone to your home Wi-Fi network and then go to the HP app. You can get the HP app from the App Store. To add the printer, click on the plus button on the top. Select the first option, set up a new printer. It will display HP DeskJet 2900 series setup. Select it. Click yes. It will display your network. If that is correct, then you can just click on the next. If it's not the right one, you can select it from the other network list. Click next. So this setup will take a little bit longer and you will see the wireless light that was flashing here is stable. That means it is already connected with the internet. Press and release the flashing information button on the printer control panel. That's the I button with the white light flashing. Press it once. Automatically the setup process will continue. On the next page you will see the printer policy. You can accept all or you can just click on the decline optional data. You can also register your account, and if you don't want to do that, you can just skip it. Skip account activation. If you want, you can also enable the free ink delivery and then it will ask you for the monthly payments. But right now I'm just going to uncheck the box and click on the do not enable ink delivery. Skip the offer. Future updates. Click on the auto update and click on the save. So if you want, you can print the welcome page. So let's print it to see if it's working or not. Printer is working and it has printed. So click on the continue and you will see your printer. And if you want the instant ink subscription, you can go through here and you can start printing and scanning wirelessly. Again, the scanning process is same. You just have to click on the scan button and place a page here. For printing, you can just go to the print document section. Anything saved in the smartphone will display here and then you can start the printing process. So that's all about the setup of the printer using the Wi-Fi direct setup and home Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching.